Hi guys, so this is going to be a Snapchat Q&A video. So I am going to start right now. Okay, so Faith.rm says, hey Lyric, I don't think my questions were answered in your last Q&A video. Please, I hope I make it this time. Thank you. You didn't, what's the question? Okay, so the next one is Johnny Forever. She says, so I tend to mess up on my wings a lot, so I go without. What's the best strategy to master it? Guys, if you watch my videos when it comes to doing my wing liner, I majority of the time mess up. But what you can do is you can, whenever you draw a line, you take your you get an angled pencil and some lighter color foundation or concealer, preferably cream, not liquid, because it's going to be difficult to work with. So a cream, concealer or foundation, and you just draw a line and clean up where you messed up, and get a small angle brush, not an angle brush, but a small like pointed brush, a small brush, to clean up the foundation or the concealer that you use. Easy. That's what I always do, by the way. So Dose of Hannah says,
my face is ashy and my hair is crazy because I'm getting ready for school, but I wanted to ask you, what is it?
What's the question? I didn't get the question. I didn't hear the question. LOL. Filming, no. Alright, so Virgia Mers 1991 says, when are you going to have a girl? Well, I don't know, probably 2 to 3 years from now. I don't know, 2 to 3 years. I don't know, but I don't know. Africana Force says,
hi Lyric, I actually wanted to know what brand bronzer are you using? The glow you're getting, it's fabulous.
aha.
Another cue for your Q&A video. What eyeshadow are you using? Is it a baked eyeshadow? If so, from what line? Or that big palette from Fantana?
Oh, okay, boo. Well, for the eyeshadow I have a tutorial on this look. Actually, I use this. That's just all I'm wearing on my eyes, and I have my pencil. So I have, let me show you. I have these 3 things all over my eyes. Oh no, yeah, these 4 things all over my eyes right now, and this is what I use to get my glow. Isn't it just phenomenal? It's double definition, MAC extra dimension, double definition. I hope I'm in focus. Tash / beautifully created says, I don't know what you did differently, but them bros are hollering at me quite loudly today. I can't either. They're talking these bros. Quite either. I don't know. They're looking bad, good. I don't know. I don't know. Canades 19 says, went to Jamaica last year, couldn't get to talk or see you all. Question, do you deliver all over, including Panama City or only Jamaica? No, boo, all over. I deliver all over. My Poma Band Lyric will deliver worldwide. Tia Jade says, Snapchat Q&A, are you doing any tours? If yes, can you come here to London? I would love to meet you. Tours locally but not internationally, because Jonathan is so young. Jeremy and I were we're new parents, give us a break. So now a lot of you say, no, money can still travel with Jonathan. That's fine, boo-boo. I hear you, but for our sanity, I'm particularly afraid, because it will be just him and I alone, because his daddy will be working. So just us alone walking through the airport. I can't think about it, and he's already a handful just in Jamaica. Can you imagine abroad? I don't know. And then who would I stay with? Who will help me with him? Will I have classes? I have to think of all of that, and I have to probably buy an extra plane ticket for somebody, you know. I have to think of all of that. Shamarla says, do you want more children? Of course, I want one more. I want a girl, so I can give somebody my Louis Vuitton bags and Chanel bags, and to pass on the legacy of makeup artistry. Because Jonathan is already musically inclined. Jonathan is already like music, that's his thing. All Alright, so the next one is by Fun Claudette. Says yes, lyric yes. I guess the pictures. So Makeup Freak 84 says,
Hi Larry, my question is, what do you like best about being a mother? Your baby is so adorable.
oh, what do I like best about being a mother? I love breastfeeding, but oh my god, a story. So my left breast has become what they call engorged, where the milk gets really hard like a stone, like a rock stone, and my breast gets really hot, and my nipple is ultra sensitive. So whenever he's feeding from my left breast, it's painful, just as it was before when I just had him earlier on, where he would latch incorrectly and like bruise my nipple. The same thing's happening again, the same god almighty thing, but this time it's worse because he has teeth. So he's like, I'm like, is this blood? It looks like blood. It's just more aggressive now. So I love breastfeeding him, I love holding him, I love kissing him, I love rubbing his face, I love putting on powder. Love putting on powder on Jonathan because I like when he smells fresh. So Pretty Dark, he says, do you do your lashes every day? No, boo-boo, I don't, because I don't go on the road every day. So no, honey. If yes, please do a video on how to apply lashes daily. Okay, boo, I can't do that. I already have a lash video up and ready for you guys. I think it'll be live next week. I want to do my individual lashes, and I want to do another one where I put on synthetic lashes. I have from my company Pump by Lyric, we'll be coming up with some new luxury lashes. They're more expensive, so we introduced them lightly on our site and we had to take them down because we couldn't, I don't think, into the back end of my company, but we just took them down, let's just say that. Yeah, and so now we will be relaunching them this summer, hopefully. Like mink, sable, fur, we'll be relaunching those. And Barbie Jamaican says,
I'm your Paris fan. I love you so much. Yeah, and Lyric, have you ever used the Black Opal Pump Pore Perfecting Foundation?
Pore Perfecting Foundation? No, boo, I have never used that one. The Pore Perfecting Foundation? Never. No, I've only used the stick one. The stick one? Yeah, I've only used that one. Alright, so let me just talk to my guys. Alright guys, just got done filming. Here's the camera. And I'm now going to tend to Jonathan because y'all know how today has been with Jonathan. So I'm done filming. Thanks for your Q&As and see you guys next time.
Alright guys, just got done.
Alright, so I am going to tend to Jonathan. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for your Snapchat Q&A. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. And don't forget to tell me what you want to say from the Snapchat Q&As. And also click the like button and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.